Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda on your macOS system. So the first thing to do is visit the official site of Anaconda, which is anaconda.com. After visiting the site, you will see the download button at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Python 3.7 version file and click on the download button. So I have already downloaded the file, so I will show you the installation process. So this is my file. What you're going to do after installing the file is follow the installation step and install Anaconda Navigator. So after you have installed Anaconda, you will find it. You just need to search Anaconda Navigator in the Finder. And here it is. Just double click on it and it is a fully functional Anaconda Navigator. So if you like this video and or find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, this is it. See you in the next video.